Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a flood warning for the Brandywine Creek at Chadsport. From this evening to Wednesday afternoon, until the warning is canceled. At 10:30 a.m. Monday, the stage was 3.0 feet. Flood stage is 9.0 feet. Major flooding is forecast. Rise above flood stage by this evening and continue to rise to near 13.0 feet by early tomorrow afternoon. The river will fall below flood stage by Wednesday morning. Impact at 13.0 feet. Residential evacuations begin at this stage.
Ooh.
The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a flood warning for the Brandywine Creek at Wilmington. From late tonight to Wednesday morning, until the warning is canceled. At 10:45 a.m. Monday, the stage was 12.8 feet. Flood stage is 16.5 feet. Minor flooding is forecast. Rise above flood stage by early tomorrow, and continue to rise to near 17.5 feet by early tomorrow afternoon. The river will fall below flood stage by early Wednesday morning. Impact at 19.0 feet. Serious flooding at the DuPont plant. The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a flood warning for the East Branch Brandywine Creek below Downingtown. From this afternoon to Tuesday afternoon, until the warning is canceled. At 10:45 a.m. Monday, the stage was 3.0 feet. Flood stage is 7.0 feet. Major flooding is forecast. Rise above flood stage by late this afternoon, and continue to rise to near 12.3 feet by after midnight tonight. The river will fall below flood stage by late tomorrow morning. This is NOAA Weather Radio. All hazards for northeastern